The company was originally established in 1986. It's mainly involved in the ventilation industry, and over the years we've expanded the company. We are principally a manufacturer of heating and ventilation equipment. We would call it high integrity ventilation equipment, and it's for the industrial energy sector. The company really founded its business on the oil and gas offshore platform sector. And has since sort of moved into sort of nuclear power plants and offshore wind farms and then into marine.
DriveWorks is a design configuration tool which enables you to fully automate SolidWorks because it has to work in conjunction with SolidWorks and enables you to provide all your drawings, parts. When we first started using DriveWorks and SolidWorks, our reseller, Visitive, Adam, came down and I think he had several days down here with us to introduce us to DriveWorks, which was immensely helpful and to get us started off. And for us, that's invaluable.
DriveWorks can help to generate the 3D model in SolidWorks. And it will also generate all of the cut parts. Initially we would have produced information with AutoCAD 2D drawings and then we would have used an Excel package to generate flat pack parts. There was a risk of error, it was a time-consuming process. Looking to use DriveWorks was a way to automate the process, eliminate some of the human inputs at various stages, and would allow us to get the design information through to manufacturing in a much shorter space of time.
We use the DriveWorks software to build the rules, to be able to configure our products. We do this in a development environment to implement new products. We do bug fixes and we do testing to ensure that it will generate the manufacturing details that we need. Once we're happy that it's generating those correctly, we'll move that project into the production environment where they can use it to manufacture products on a daily basis. One
more recent product we put in probably middle of last year was a thing called Transitions, which is the ability to adapt a duct to a damper, and they used to have to draw all these from scratch manually. So I took that on and we put that into DriveWorks, and that has speeded that up because they can produce a transition in minutes.
One thing that's been really helpful in implementing new projects in DriveWorks is being able to use the Model Insight feature. During a project it will run through it step by step, all of the generation tasks, and you can really pinpoint every action that it's doing, why it's doing it. You can see the reasons behind it, and that helps us to implement our projects faster.
Visualisation in a three-dimensional form using DriveWorks, so we can produce these images quickly, and then our marketing team will take that and produce a rendered model. In some industries that we serve, it's important that we maintain material traceability right from the start. The benefit of DriveWorks and the way we use it in conjunction with SolidWorks is that we can etch markings onto our steel parts. That means all parts for the job are fully traceable from the moment they're cut right through to the end of the job.
So while we're using DriveWorks and implementing it within the company, if we have any issues that we're not able to sort of address ourselves, we always use Visitive. We can pick up the phone, give them a call, and they're there to be able to give us technical support. And if it needs to go a bit further than that, Visitive are in contact with DriveWorks so they can resolve our issue. After getting in touch with Visitive for technical support on the challenge that I had with this project, we were able to work through it and we were back up and running that day.
I highly recommend Visitive and DriveWorks. The support has been excellent.